Hi, this is Dave with Master Germ and Odor Removal. Delighted to be here at a school. We are teaching, treating a classroom, and this is our antimicrobial germ seal service. Lasts for up to 90 days, completely non-toxic. It is pet-friendly, kid-friendly, plant-friendly. We are NSF 51 food contact surface safe. So when you're prepping for us to come and do your treatment, leave your laptop open, leave your favorite water cup, your favorite coffee cup, and leave your jacket if you have one. Leave those here, and we're going to treat them. This is perhaps the highest touch surface in a teacher's classroom. So teachers, bring your cups. We did, recently we've done a collection, we did a handmade collection of knives that was left on a worker's desk. I was a little bit shocked at first, but over a dozen knives, and he wanted them all treated. So we just did it. So leave your cup out, leave your water bottle out, leave your jacket and your laptop, and this is all it takes. And when all that dries, it'll be a nanotech barrier, a germ shield that will kill germs on contact for up to 90 days. Dave with Master Germ and Odor Removal, I would love to help you get your school back in session safely for your students, your staff, your teachers, and the parents and grandparents that those kids go home to every day.